Hey friends, James Bergstrom here with Paramount Real Estate Group, and today I'm bringing you for a first look at my brand new listing that just hit the market, 8600 Phillips Road Southeast, right here in beautiful Port Orchard, Washington. This stately two-story home sits on over 2 acres of beautifully manicured ground surrounded by evergreens and offers privacy, charm, and some seriously unique outdoor spaces. Before I take you inside, let me tell you a little story of how we got this home ready for the market. This wasn't just a list and go type of project. We rolled up our sleeves and we made this place shine. We had a big power outage recently and windstorm and 65-mile-per-hour winds. My clients had to move in that time and they weren't able to finish moving everything out and getting the house ready, but not a problem, we got this. I have very important friends of mine here who work with me on my team. This is Gina with Can Do Cleaning.
Hello.
She's got a big job here. She's getting ready to knock it out and shine this place up. And this is Carmel and Kendall with Sweet Spot Staging. Hair crushers, interior design, and make the houses just pop beautifully. I'm so excited to have you both here working with me on this. So what are your thoughts, Carmel, with this house? What do you think are the necessities for getting this house staged and ready for market?
Warmth. We'll bring in some warmth. We'll bring in furniture, lots of plants, and just emphasize the beauty and all the extra details that are here. That'll be our goal.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm excited. A little history about this listing is really good friends of mine owned it and built it, and then I sold it several years ago and made new friends. And we all went to a Bible study together, and I'm just honored to be able to help Justin and Jen with their home here, and can't wait to knock it out of the park for them. First, we cleared out all the trash and debris, then we had brand new carpet installed throughout the home. Gives everything a fresh, clean feel. We also touched up the interior with paint where needed and gave the exterior trim a bit of a cleanup, refresh, and we tackled full landscape cleanup, trimming, weeding, mulching, you name it. We wanted these gardens and paths to look as inviting as possible. And finally, we brought Carmel with Sweet Spot Staging in to do a complete full stage for this house, just to show how warm and livable this home can be. Step inside and you'll find a dramatic open great room with vaulted ceilings and fantastic finishes throughout. The kitchen is truly the heart of the home, decked out with a large island, concrete countertops, stainless steel appliances, and beautiful pendant lights. The primary bedroom is conveniently located right here on the main level, perfect for anyone looking for that main floor living lifestyle. Upstairs here we have a huge bonus room that's versatile and offers endless flexibility. It could be a home office, gym, game room, mother-in-law, you name it. Not just a home, but a lifestyle. You've got a fully fenced raised garden ready for spring planting and an amazing outdoor barbecue for you meat lovers out there with a fire pit, a stone pizza oven, and yes, a chicken coop. Let's go. And for one of my favorite features, this treehouse right here is mind-blowing. The shady maple shanty doesn't get better than this, come on. Plus, there's a fun little shed right down the trail. And this is the kind of place where memories are made. This is the perfect blend of seclusion and connection. You're just minutes away from freeway and an easy commute right into town, but most importantly, you've got space, peace, serenity of beautiful Pacific Northwest landscape all around you. If you're looking for a luxurious yet livable property right here in Kitsap County, this might be just the one for you. If you want to schedule a tour or need more details, please give me a call. My info is right here in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home tours and real estate tips today.